sharing their individual information between two persons. It means personal communication. Those are post office, telephone, mobile phone, and then fax or emails. So see here, first one, post office. Post office means it is the place of letters and parcels are sent or received here, because whatever we want to send a letter or a parcel to what person we want to send that one. So the post office do that work, or it means received or sent from any persons between two people. You observe that if suppose you will go to post office, the postmen or other workers in that office, they are doing purposely the sent or received these things, parcels or letters. So the cost of sending a letter is met by buying postage stamp. Postage stamps, it is also help to knew about information of our country's culture or history of the our countries, how they are spread all through the countries in this way, because stamps, when we sent or received the letters, you can see there is stamps of that country's symbols or great man's pictures. There is some, it may be help to us spread the cultural and knew about the history of our countries. In this way, stamps also provide lot of information, culture and about the history. And then urgent letters and documents are sent through the speed post. Very personal documents, they are important to send to another person, or urgent letters immediately. Suppose if you want to immediately give the one message to another person urgently, that moment the speed post or courier worked, because by casting that very more than normal stamps. So suppose because matter is very important or urgent matter, we will pay the more money than normal post. That moment speed post or courier do that work. It is also help to us. And telegraph was one of the earliest means of communication. You remember in earlier people, they used in this method telegraph. In particularly we call that in British rule, when ruled our countries, India's, that administration, they followed this method, telegraph or telegram. This is one of the earliest means of communication. It is serviced closed down after 163 years of service in India since 1850. 1850 means British ruled time, that one. That time it is after they closed or losing their values, because when the man searching or about the new methods of communication, reaching very fast through the telephone or other ways, it may be mobile phones or emails, Gmails, whatever it is. When modernity developed, that moment this service is closed. Then telephones, second one, telephone. It is the invented by Alexander. That this one particularly, this telephone, it is in that one telephone, it is most helpful to us because the person to person speech possibly. It means what he want to speak with particular person, he speaks very possibly that moment. It helps and talk to a person in any part of the world. He may be any part of the world, in this world, it can reach their way and possibly he speak through this media, telephone. When invented the Alexander Graham Bell, you can remember who invented the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone in 1876. Then this is the wired phone or landlines. First, before when he invented this media, it is a wired phone. We call that landlines. Wireless. The modernity developed, there is become wireless or called nowadays mobile phones, or improve in nowadays present days smartphones, like that. Mobile phones popular means of direct communication. It means mobile phones very popular because every people they have almost all mobile phones. It is very popular, direct communication, and it is handy thing, carried very easily. One place to another place, we can carry that one. It is also help to us. And from this media, SMS in our mobile phones, it means long form short message services. SMS long form is short message service. Is a popular modern way. It is the popular modern way. Message one person to another person. It may be personal or so. This way it is used to send and receive that messages or text messages, or maybe it may be pictures, or it may be documents, or it may be PDF documents or file documents, other important documents. The person may easily send to what person they want to. Then it can be also connected to the internet. Mobile phones connected to the internet. It is also help us to we receive the radio's broadcast and play music and take pictures. Nowadays you listen the all subject lessons from this media, mobile phones, because COVID-19 coronavirus, schools are closed present days, so we can use it in this media and help to us from mobile phones.